Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Carmen. Welcome. The 222 portal is a powerful energy portal that opens up every February 22nd. And it opens up to help you to manifest love, to improve the love that you currently have, and to help you to manifest more peace and balance into your life. So if you are looking to manifest a partner, okay, if you're looking to manifest love or a partner or any type of partnership, or to improve the current partnership that you currently have, or to manifest more peace and balance into any area of your life, okay, this can be any area of your life that you feel you have become imbalanced in, okay, then this energy portal is going to help you to do that. And I'm going to give you an activation today in this video that will help you to triple the energy of this energy portal. Okay, it's going to make the energy of this portal, this 222 portal, 3 times, if not even more stronger than that. All right. And we know that there are multiple timelines out there that exist at the same time as the one that you are currently on. We know this because quantum physics has proven this. Okay, we have scientific proof that there are multiple timelines. You just cannot see them. These energy portals just help you to switch on to those timelines that basically your soul planned out before you were born. See, before you were born, your soul decided to plan out multiple timelines, okay? Your soul wrote out multiple timelines and possibilities for you. And these portals just help you to shift on to the better possibilities that were already created for you before you were born. Okay, so we are not creating anything new. These portals just help you to shift to those. And like I said, there is scientific proof that these exist, because this is something that quantum physics has proven. All right, now you will want to do this activation for this 222 energy portal on February 22nd, because that's when the energy is going to be the strongest. But if you don't happen to see this on February 22nd, don't worry, because the portal will still remain open for 1 week after the 22nd. Okay, the portal will be open 1 week after the 22nd, and it will be open 1 week before the 22nd. Now, of course, the energy will be the strongest on the 22nd, but you can still use this portal activation. Even if you don't see it on that day, it will still be available to you, so don't worry, okay? So without further ado, sit back, relax, and let's get into the activation right now. And so what I want you to do first is I want you to set the intention first. We always set the intention, tell the universe why we are doing what we're doing, because the universe is more likely to support us because it clearly sees what we are doing and why we are doing it. So tell the universe why you're using this portal day and this meditation. And the next thing I want you to do is find a place to rest your head, find a place that is nice and quiet, and I want you to take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Take a deep breath in and out. Feel the air going inside of your lungs and out. Now I want you to close your eyes, and I want you to imagine yourself in a field. Standing in a field. You can imagine yourself in any sort of beautiful environment, a beach, a field of flowers, but I want you to imagine that you are standing there, feeling the wind blowing on you, breathing in and out. And now I want you to imagine that you're standing there, but you're not alone. There's something else that is right next to you. If you're trying to manifest love, then it's a person, it's that person.
standing next to you. If you're using this portal to bring in a material object, such as money or something else to bring more balance, then imagine that that is what is there in that field, standing next to you. And you're not alone. You can't touch it, you can't feel it, but you can sense its presence. And the two of you are standing in that field, and there's nothing else. It's just you and that person or that object. Just the two of you. And now I want you to imagine a beautiful pink light from within your heart. Imagine this beautiful pink light starting to grow. And it's starting to become bigger and bigger. This beautiful pink light is growing and growing. And it's becoming warmer. And now it's warming up your body and warming you up even more. You might have felt cold before, but now your body is warming because this beautiful pink light inside of your heart is growing, and it's warming your whole entire body, and it's spreading everywhere, all over you, this beautiful pink light. And it's so strong, it's starting to move out from your heart. And now it's moving quickly. And it's moving in the direction of that person standing next to you. This beautiful pink light, it's headed for that person or that object, that thing that you are trying to manifest. It's so powerful that it's now beyond you, and it's moving towards that other thing because it's so powerful. And now it's pulling in that other thing, that person, that thing that you are desiring. It's pulling it in. It's so strong. And it's connecting the two of you together. That beautiful, powerful pink light. Not only has it surrounded you, but it's now surrounded that person or that thing. And it's hitting them all over on all sides, enveloping them, this beautiful pink light. And now it's enveloped both of you. And you're connected to that thing, that person, through this beautiful pink light. And you're feeling their energy. And now it's connecting you to their heart. Imagine that, this beautiful pink light going straight from your heart into their heart. Straight between the two of you, connecting the two of you. Feel how powerful that is. It's bringing them into your energetic aura. It's connecting the two of you on an energetic level. And feel how powerful that is. Now I want you to imagine that this beautiful pink light, it's changing colors. That's right. It's turning from pink now into green. Beautiful emerald green. Spreading green everywhere. That green light is now moving from your heart into that person's heart and connecting you two. Imagine that, a beautiful band of energy, and now it's beautiful emerald green, and it's surrounding the two of you together. And now your energetic auras are combining because of this beautiful green light. They're combining together. Imagine that. Their energy is combining with yours as this beautiful green light surrounds the both of you. And so now your energetic aura has combined with theirs. And you're not separate anymore. And you have balanced each other out. And feel how positive that feels. Feel how it will feel going forward now. Going forward, it will be different now. There won't be separation. there will be partnership with you and that person or that thing, as your energetic auras have now merged together. Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath out. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. And now I want you to open your eyes. Open your eyes and know that by doing this meditation, you have shifted instantly on to a better timeline in which you have those things. Whatever it was that you were trying to manifest, you have shifted on to that timeline. Just by setting the intention, you already instantly shifted on to that timeline. But this meditation will just help to accelerate it and make it more powerful. So congratulations to you. You did a good job. Now you have to trust that it has happened and you have shifted timelines. You might not see the evidence of this right away. It might take a little bit of time to see the evidence that you have shifted, but just trust and know that you have. And your trust is the most important thing. And so I hope that you enjoyed this meditation today. I want you to comment 222 below to claim the powerful energy of this activation today. Comment 222 below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with other people. It really helps to get this information out there and help a lot of people when you do that. If you want to get an energy healing session that combines the power of divine codes and numerology with energy healing, you can head on over to my website, StarsAlignWithCarmen.com, and I would love to have you subscribe and to become part of the family. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.